It's okay. Don't watch this part. Turtle tracks?
Yeah.
Is this what Cece gave you for Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Welcome back, y'all. It is now about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We went and got lunch from McDonald's today. It's Valentine's Day, so I told the kids that they could pick anywhere they wanted lunch from, wherever they wanted it. We would go get lunch there since it was Valentine's Day. They picked McDonald's. I went early because I thought they're gonna be really busy right at 12 o'clock, so we left here just a little bit after 11 and they were already really busy. Everybody's getting McDonald's for Valentine's Day. So now it's a little bit after 2 o'clock. The kids just finished up with their schoolwork and we got everything cleaned up from that. I still need to file their worksheets, but I'll do that later this evening. Sometimes here lately I've been waiting and doing all the filing on Fridays. File Fridays, just a little thing I made up. Anyway, I just collect all their worksheets, quizzes, and tests and all that throughout the week, and then on Fridays, when they're doing their schoolwork, I get everything filed and put into its place and check and grade things that I need to do and all that. Here's what Jonah and Cece gave me for Valentine's Day. Jonah gave me this mug with the hearts on it, and Cece gave me this sparkly green one. I gave them all some candies and little things this morning in their mailboxes. I don't even think I showed them to y'all this year, but it's just the little tin mailboxes from, I'm pretty sure I got them from Walmart. Either Walmart or the dollar store, but I think Walmart. Just the little tin mailboxes, and every morning up until Valentine's Day. This year, we didn't start until Friday this year. So it was just for 4 days. Yeah, 4 days. Every morning when they woke up, there was just a little surprise in their mailbox. Not anything big, just like some erasers or pencils. The Jacob and Tyler just candy because of course they don't, want the little fun erasers and things anymore. They do love candy. So just a little something every morning. And then this morning for Valentine's Day, I gave them all a whole pack of the fun size and their favorite candy bars. Okay, there is no way this is gonna fit in this Instant Pot. I can just tell. We're gonna be pulling it anyway for pulled pork. Oh, by the way, this is what we're making for supper. I've been waiting on Titus to smoke this, but he just has not had time. So I'm gonna cook it in Instant Pot tonight. We're gonna do the Instant Pot pulled pork, but this will not fit in here. It is way too big. We're gonna use Sweet Preacher rub. One of y'all asked, are we mad at Kent Rollins because we haven't had the Kent Rollins seasoning in a long time? I just haven't ordered any, and anytime I remember to go and order it, it's out of stock. So, okay, let's see. I may be able just to cut most of this off the bone and still, go ahead and pretty much cook it all. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the Instant Pot on to saute and put a little bit of oil in here because I'm gonna sear this before we start pressure cooking it. I would try, y'all. This morning, I even thought about telling Titus to get the smoker ready, like get it all ready for me, and I would watch it all throughout the day. But as we all know, I'm just not good at smoking stuff or grilling things. I can do the Blackstone okay. I can handle that. It's pretty much just like a big old iron skillet. The smoker is another story. I can barely even make hot dogs or cheeseburgers on a grill. If there are any butchers out there, y'all just don't watch. Just don't watch this part, because I have no idea what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to make it fit in my Instant Pot. Okay, y'all, it is still really big, and I'm probably gonna have to cut some more of it off. We'll see. I'm gonna try it. Most of the time when it fills up the Instant Pot this much, right now I'll just have it on saute because I'm searing both sides. Usually when it fills the Instant Pot up this much, it'll give me the food burn warning, and I have to take it out, cut a piece of it off, and then when I put it back in, it's fine. So we'll see. I'm gonna try it. Okay, y'all, you know what? I'm not gonna be able to flip that like I thought I was. We're just gonna put some more seasoning on here. It's okay. It's really, really big. I'm hoping that it doesn't give me the food burn notice. Now I'm just gonna put some apple juice in here. This will hopefully stop it from giving us the food burn notice too. And we're gonna cook it on high pressure for 90 minutes. So we're gonna have the pulled pork, and I have mashed potatoes left over from last night, pinto beans left over from last night, and cornbread left over from last night. And I have hamburger buns, so we can have pulled pork sandwiches with chips or pulled pork with beans and cornbread and all that. Okay, y'all, it has been probably 20 minutes or so. We're still building up pressure, but it's not saying food burn. So I'm having hope that it's not gonna do it this time. I already switched out laundry, put away some laundry. I'm about to go wipe down the bathrooms real quick, and hopefully by then it'll be built up. I'm fixing to take Manly outside to play, but I don't wanna go out until I make sure this is gonna start cooking. Jonah got a mystery dinosaur egg for Valentine's Day, and he's waiting on it to hatch. We already see the little hole starting right there. It's been in here for about 3 hours now, 3 or 4 hours. What kind do you think it's gonna be, Manny?
A biggest one.
Jonah thinks Spinosaurus.
Yeah.
Cece thinks Triceratops. I'm gonna guess it's
T-Rex.
okay, Manny guesses T-Rex. I think,
Stegosaurus?
Has anybody guessed Stegosaurus?
No.
I'll guess Stegosaurus. Let's see, Sissy, let's put some of these applesauces in the refrigerator. That way if anybody wants the barbecue sandwiches with applesauce, we'll already have it getting cold. We like for the applesauce to get cold. These are cinnamon. Are those regular? Just put that whole, you can put the whole pack in the refrigerator. Okay, y'all, the roast is cooking, right, Manny?
Uh-huh. It's not burning.
Nope, it's not burning today.
Yeah.
Look, Miss Turkey's enjoying this springy day.
Yeah.
It through the adventure walk. We are at the trash bin. I probably need to fill up the chicken feed.
We made it to the adventure walk.
I get some water and some feed today. We'll get the feed first. The last time we got feed, they only had 1 bag of pellets of the kind of feed we get, which is the Nature Wise, and because of all the feed issues, a lot more people are buying Nature Wise now because it's not one of the feeds, you know, that people are having problems with. We got the 1 bag of pellets and we got 1 bag of crumble, and I don't love the crumble. It gets wasted a lot quicker because it's, you know, crumbled, and if they spill any of it out or anything like that, they don't eat it as much off the ground as they would the pellets. They'll still eat the pellets right off the ground, but the crumble, because it's crumbled, just gets mushed into the ground. The chickens seem to like the crumbles better. They just, you know, it's just not as neat for them to eat as the pellets.
Okay, that's a little bit more.
Yeah, do about 3 more scoops.
Now it's all filled up. Now let's get the water.
Yep, now we get the water. Go ahead, Roosty. Happy Valentine's Day. This is how Manly likes to fill up their water.
Yeah. Clean water.
Yeah.
Clean water.
Yeah, nice clean water.
I can drink clean water all day. Clean water all day.
Yeah, water's good, huh?
Yeah, I come out there saying clean, filled water. Yesterday we did that all day.
Yeah, we got them some water yesterday too, huh? They drink a lot.
Now it's their turn.
Okay, y'all, we are back inside. Sissy is gonna make brownies for her and the boys tonight. So I made the lemon meringue pie last night, but me and Titus are pretty much the only ones who like lemon meringue pie. You need the scissors?
No, I got it.
You got it? Jonah likes it sometimes. While Sissy's making the brownies, I'm gonna switch out the laundry one more time and then make the slaw to go with the pulled pork.